Remember, remember the 5th of November. But do you actually know why? It all started in 1605 with a plan to assassinate the king. The man in charge of the explosives was Guy Fawkes, a key member of the gunpowder plot. Their goal was to blow up the Houses of Parliament and kill the Protestant king James I. But the plot was discovered on the night of November 4th. Fawkes was caught red-handed in the cellars guarding 36 barrels of gunpowder. Londoners lit bonfires to celebrate the king's survival, and that's how Bonfire Night began. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what facts you want to hear about next.